Hello, my name's Richard and I'm from the Soap Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple introductory recipe, cold processed soap. To make soap, all you have to do is combine natural oils with lye. Lye is made by combining water with sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. Most of the utensils that you'll need you'll find in your own kitchen at home. Here we've got two stainless steel pans, you could use enamelled. We have a balloon whisk and a spatula. We have a measuring jug, some accurate scales and some teaspoon measures. When you're making up lye, you should protect yourself with some gloves and eye protection. Later on we're going to need the mould, which this one's a wooden mould, and we're going to line that with a siliconized baking sheet. And we've got a towel, you could use a blanket to insulate the soap. The ingredients we're going to use today are 340 grams of cold tap water, 125 grams of caustic soda. Then for the oils, we're going to use 284 grams of coconut oil, 170 grams of palm oil, you could choose to use shea butter, and 454 grams of olive oil. We're going to also use an optional antioxidant of grapefruit seed extract, that's a quarter teaspoon.